Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are doing a very special unboxing of this beautiful computer which I purchased from Apple. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. It's 13-inch Macbook Pro 2020. So let's get started.
Hey everyone, today I'm doing a very special unboxing. I ordered this a few weeks ago. It took a long time to get here, but finally it's here. It was actually sitting at the post office, or actually FedEx office, for quite many days, but finally it's here. So let's open it together. Oh my god. So this is a MacBook Pro which I ordered from apple.com. So let's see the box first. As you can see the computer here. Here it says MacBook Pro. On this side again it says it says MacBook Pro. It has 16 GB of memory, 1 TB of SSD. It's a 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020. So it's a brand new model. So let's open it. I always get excited with Apple products actually. Okay, so let's do it like this. It's very easy. Apple products, the plastic on Apple products is so easy to come off. You can see beautiful plastic, and there we go. So it's a moment of truth. Okay, so now we're gonna open it. So one thing about Apple product which is very weird, that you can see, but I'm struggling. It's gonna take a while.
You can actually.
So, oh my god. So as you can see, it's a gray, ash gray, right? It's called a space gray. So it's a 13-inch computer, and you can see how thin it is. It's very sleek. The edges, I'm so scared to take the plastic off, but it looks beautiful. I'll put it on the side and we'll see what's in the box first. So inside the box we have this wire. It's a new kind of charging wire. I own a MacBook Pro. Mine is 2015, but it looks completely different from what I have. And this is the dock. Apple is, and I don't think it has the extended wire. So it doesn't come with the extended wire anymore. So we have to pay extra for that. So let's take the plastic off this. Oh, I ripped it. Oh well. So this plastic, I took it off. So you can see here, here's a place to plug it in. So they're both actually the same. You plug it in here, and here you go. So you cannot use your old chargers to charge your new computers. So the old charger they used, it was magnetic. I don't think this is going to be magnetic, the one I have. So this is interesting, and it does not have an extended wire, so you just plug it in into the wall and you use it. The one I have, I have an actually extended wire that goes along with it, and it's quite long. I don't know how long it is, but it's like this is a 61-watt USB-C power adapter. So this is new. This is something they have added. It's brand new. So let's see what else is in the box. So in here we have this booklet which shows about the computer. It shows about what it's in here. There's a touch bar on it. There is a touch ID and force touch trackpad, and it tells you all about the computer, how it has a menu bar, FaceTime, HD camera, spotlight, control center, system preferences at the bottom, and thumbnail USB 4 it has, and it has a headphone jack. I don't think it has as many as it had in previous computers. Oh, and this is interesting. So Apple has finally changed their stickers. They're not white anymore, they're dark gray, and I think I'm going to steal this one. I'm going to keep this. And I don't think there's anything else in here. So this is all it has, which is kind of weird. So let's put it back in here. So now the moment of truth, things the moment we all have been waiting for. We are going to remove this plastic, which I don't want to, but let's do this together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can you see this beautiful color? It's so pretty. Look at this apple, and I'm going to open it in front of you. So let's open it. And actually it turned on its own. I didn't even have to do anything. So here's this. Okay. You can see the apple. So the apple, it just turned on, and you can see it has the touch ID on top. It has the brightness thing. This is the brightness.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
So it's talking to me. So we will be setting it up later. So I can tell you what it has. It has a touch pad on the top, as it said on that book. This is for the brightness for the computer itself. This is for the brightness of the keypad or the keyboard. This is for your volume. You can mute it, the volume down, volume up, and I think this is just I don't know what this button is for. It's interesting. It doesn't say anything.
Fingerprint.
So this is for your fingerprinting, and these are the speakers here. This is your trackpad, which is quite bigger than the old one from 2015. And on the side, if you can see here, there is two USB-Cs. One must be for charging, and I don't know what the other one is for. It does not have any USB port. It has a headphone jack here, but it does not have any of the USBs here, the regular ones, which is, I'm very disappointed in Apple. This is not fair. How am I going to charge my phone now?
Dock.
I need the USB-C wire to charge my phone on this computer. This is something I'm not happy about, but I'm gonna be setting up. You can see the keyboard itself. It's a beautiful computer. So let's shut it for now. Can I close it? Okay, I'm gonna be closing it. I'm gonna show you how thin it is. It's very thin, it's very sleek, it's brand new, and the color is beautiful. And I'll show you the back. On the back it says designed by Apple in California, it's Apple in China, model, and all the details, and you can see all these things. It's beautiful, and like I said, doesn't have many jacks. It did as less as it could do. So this is all we have. Let me show you everything that came in it. So this is for the charging. These are the wires. And inside this, we have this beautiful sticker, which I am in love with. And these are your review. The MacBook is it's a guide. It's like all the essential things, and this is the book that came with. So there's nothing else in here, just making sure. So this is all it came with. It is a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. It's Retina display.
Sure.
I'm sure it is a Retina display. And all the other details that about this computer. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and I will be writing about it in my description, where I purchased it from, how much I paid for it. All the details will be in the description. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked today's unboxing. I will be setting it up, and I will be sharing with you how it's working for me. So far so good. Like I showed you, it's a beautiful computer. The only thing I didn't like that they got rid of a lot of jacks on the side. I just don't know how I'm gonna charge my computer. Oh, sorry, my phone. So now that like they did for the 12 Pro Max, they have the USB-C cable. Maybe that's why they just got rid of it from this computer. Anyways, so Apple, if you can hear me, I'm not happy with this decision. So you should think about it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.